Welcome back, future coders. Real life is full of decimals. Think $49.99 on a price tag or 5.6 feet on a height scale. These are floats. Today, let's dive into float numbers and see how Python handles them with precision. In this video, you'll learn how to declare float numbers, perform float arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, round values, use scientific notation, and control float precision in Python. Let's say you're cooking a recipe. It doesn't ask for 1 or 2 spoons of spice. It says 0.75 teaspoons of cinnamon or 1.5 cups of milk. These are floats, measurements that live between whole numbers. Or think about a weighing machine. It doesn't stop at 60 or 70 kilograms. It shows 65.4, 71.2. Decimal values that give accurate readings. Floats aren't just for math. They power the real world. A digital thermometer reads 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. In a video game, a character moves from position 5.75 to 5.8. Even online shopping bills use 499.99, not just 500. Let's write some Python code using floats and understand how precision works. Example 1. We round a price of 49.9999 to 2 decimal places. Rounded, 50.0. Example 2. Formatting pi to 3 decimal places gives us 3.142. Example 3. Want to check if a float holds a whole number? 10.0.is_integer returns true. Example 4. Using the division symbol always returns a float. 7 divided by 2 gives us 3.5. So while integers give you structure, floats add real-world precision. From recipes to reports, they help you get the details right. Next time you code, don't forget, precision matters. CodeChef, fuel your coding journey. Try a float-based challenge today at codechef.com/practice.